Good afternoon, not morning. It is 12:55 right now, and there was a slight glitch and a change of plan in stay. So where we were staying at Raju's place, there the service has gone down because of the cook. There's no cook there now because they don't have cooks, and also if we wanted water and all that, a little problem. It was not coming. It was taking a lot of time in coming. So anyways, cut that short. We changed our location and we've come here on Dino's recommendation. I'll show you the room. Our room is right on top there where that orange tile is on the right side. So that's our hotel. This is the reception and this is the kitchen. So this is where we sit for our meals. We are going to be seated here. You can lie down and relax, chillax, and then here you can sit down and have a view of this magnificent mountains. There's the snow there, and here also there is snow. And there's Dino sitting. He's both of us are hungry to eat something. Energy is low because from morning we're not eaten. We have to pack everything back and then bring our bikes also. So here our bikes are standing down. They're standing down, you can't see clearly, but here's the bikes. That's the way from where we came. And yeah, we're going to order breakfast. And the plan is not fully confirmed where we are going, what we're doing. So go with the flow and tell you the same, show you the same. So enjoy. And I hope you liked the starting of the vlog with the nice time lapse. Time lapse. So yeah, we're going to eat breakfast. We'll order. I'll show you what we are ordering, and then we'll go ahead from there. I'll show you the room, and then we'll head out. So stay tuned and keep watching, you buggers. So it is 1:44 and our brunch has finally come. Have a look. This is aloo, that's mix, sunny side up, pickle and purji. And I had a hot coffee, he had a cold coffee. So this is for now. Let's see. Nice grub that we are going to grab on now fast quickly because सुबह से कुछ नहीं खाया यार. खैर ज़्यादा भूख ऐसे भी नहीं लगी थी क्योंकि रिलैक्स हो रखे. तो खाना खाते हैं, फिर आगे का प्रोग्राम बताते हैं आप लोगों को. चीयर्स. See how nicely they're feeding the dogs and all. We got 3 packets of biscuits for them. So sweet. Nice, huh? So this is the view, and the time is 2:57, and bus now we're about to leave. From here we're going to go to what you call it, Sisu side. So let's see. Sisu will be going, is getting late, so we have to quickly leave. In another 10-15 minutes we leave, and let's see, whatever I can record I'll record. On the bike it's very hard, so it's going to be very cold also. So let's see what all I can record, what all I'll show you, and what's the mahal in Sisu right now. So catch you in a while. Boom. this is a place where we have arrived for my bike wash. I want to get it cleaned, the teal beast, teal bugger. So actually, this black I want to get it removed. This, but it is not tar, so that's why I want to get that removed. I'm not taking a chance. Baki she doesn't need much. भाई क्या चार्जेस है बाइक धोने का? 150 is the charge. We'll clean it up well. ठीक है, तो आप देखिए एक बार, बस फिर सीधा चंडीगढ़ में होगा the main wash. Yeah, so one more thing, it's going to be so we decided not to go to Sisu because it's already got late. By the time we reach it's on dark. See, all the sun is already going down there. So yeah, this is on the road that goes to Nehrukund, and this is the car wash area. Yeah, I wanted to just show you, see what damage that bloody thing did. Great. See this. See, all this was all gone. All gone. See that this whole stretch from here, it was like this. It's taking everything from here. There was car wash and all here. All gone. Gone. There those were left. I don't know how. On the edge. And this way also, see, fully gone. Up, this bug is still urinating here. क्या सोचूं का पता नहीं है. नहीं सोच रहा है क्या करना है. Yeah, so see, this is the view. We're going to go back from here to Old Manali. We're going to go to a hotel, have a few beers, couple of beers, and then we will head to a very nice place. I'll show you in the evening. You have to stay tuned. See, now it's gone now. So this road also is gone fully. There's all a road till there, right till there. So सब गया, अभी ऐसे बना रहे हैं, नीचे बन रहा है. तो अपडेट यही है अभी का. Really like the bike. भैया बाइक सही लगी ना आपको? हाँ,
बढ़िया बाइक है.
हाँ, बाइक तो बहुत बड़ी है. 244 किलो की है.
244?
हाँ,
2.5 क्विंटल की होगी.
हाँ, 2.5 क्विंटल लगा. So she is ready. Not she, he, the beast, is all set to hit the Manali roads and roar. Oh, I'm enjoying the bloody silencer noise, yaar. It is too good. Very, very good that I changed it on time. My trip is going like A+ because of the bike.
A few moments later.